Hi guys, I'm going to be opening the cookie fridge. So first what you gotta do is you gotta take a bowl and take the one that says 1 and you gotta pour it in there. And then what you gotta do, you gotta get water and you gotta pour it in there. And then what you gotta do is you gotta after you pour the water in, you gotta mix it, and then after you did that, mix it for 2 minutes, and then and then put it into a ball, and then put it inside the little container and smush it. And then what you wanna do, you wanna take it out of the container, the mold, and then you wanna put the icing on top, and then you wanna put it in the fridge, and you wanna set it for 10 minutes. Bye, besties. Merry Christmas.